Pratyusha and I am the Deputy Secretary of the Fine Arts Club. Today in our CC activity, we had the topic Fireless Cooking. In today's activity, different students made different types of foods. They were very innovative in choosing what food to make. So today I have made sprout salad. The sprout salad mainly contains sprouts, vegetables and seasoning. The sprouts is rich in protein, vegetables in vitamins and seasoning to add to taste. Consumption of nutritious food is important in one's lifestyle as it contains balanced diet. When we consume such food, it enhances the lifestyle of a person.
Today in our CC activity, we have Fireless Cooking. I have prepared veg salad. It is rich in vitamins and proteins.